Hello friends, welcome in my show Popular Academy Biology, and in this video we will discuss circulatory system, a very important part known as cardiac cycle. Cardiac cycle. Cardiac cycle is a very important concept in circulatory system. So the simple anatomy of heart. This heart basically have four chamber. Blood in the heart, deoxygenated blood in the heart is received by vena cava. These are pulmonary vein which brings oxygenated blood in the heart. This is pulmonary artery which carry deoxygenated blood to the lungs. And this one is aorta, systemic aorta, major artery which distribute oxygenated blood in all the parts of body. This is the simple anatomy of heart. And now in this heart there is a location of different valve. The one valve which is located between the right auricle and left ventricle is tricuspid valve. Another valve located between the left auricle and left ventricle is bicuspid valve. It is also known as metrial valve. These bicuspid and tricuspid valve are also known as atrioventricular valve or auriculoventricular valve. Two another valve are also present in heart, which are termed as semilunar valve. These valves are located at this point. One semilunar valve is located near the pulmonary artery, at the base of pulmonary artery, and other semilunar valve is mainly located at the base of systemic aorta, major artery, major blood vessel. Now in cardiac cycle, one by one contraction and relaxation of heart chamber generally occur. One by one contraction and relaxation of heart chamber generally occur during the cardiac cycle, and the cardiac cycle generally brings by the contraction of auricle. Cardiac cycle generally brings by the contraction of auricle, and contraction phase is always known as systole and relaxation phase in cardiac cycle is known as diastole. So when the auricle contract, it is known as auricular systole. First phase of cardiac cycle, during the contraction all the blood from auricle pore receive into the ventricle chamber of the heart, and when the blood is received by the ventricle, ventricles are filled with blood and ventricle start contraction. When the contraction start in ventricle, it is known as ventricular systole in cardiac cycle. Ventricular systole means contraction of these ventricle lower chamber of the heart, and ventricular systole mainly have two phases. It is the early phase of ventricular systole, and next one is the late phase of ventricular systole. One is early phase of ventricular systole and second is late phase of ventricular systole. And in early phase of ventricular systole, when the ventricle contraction start, there is a closing of bicuspid and tricuspid valve. By the closing of bicuspid and tricuspid valve, the first heart sound is produced known as love. Love is the first heart sound which is produced due to the closing of bicuspid and tricuspid valve. And now in the cardiac cycle, after the ventricular systole, there is a ventricular diastole. Means ventricles are not showing contraction. Ventricular diastole. It is the early phase of ventricular diastole where the semilunar valve close and the second heart sound is produced known as dub. Dub is the second heart sound which is produced due to closing of semilunar valve. And next is ventricular diastole late phase, late stage, and this is the complete cardiac cycle which duration is 0.8 seconds. And this cardiac cycle is generally represented one by one systole and diastole of auricle and ventricle. The two heart sounds are clear. One is love and second is. Please like, subscribe and share my video. And